Hey there Greymates, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Giant's Boots in Crimson Desert. Now currently my location on the map is all the way over here in Pyloon, just right above in the Silver Wolf Mountain. Now the location we are going to go to will be somewhere around here where I pretty much put a mark on the map. There is also an Abyss Nexus here that you can collect for you to have easier access to this area in case any mishaps happen, because there are a couple of dangerous enemies around this area. Now I'm gonna go glide over to the location where I pointed to, and as you can see right here, here's the walking tree. And unfortunately, there are some enemies around the area, so I'm just gonna have to clear them first. Now I do have to climb up all the way to the top. I would recommend using your Axiom Hand. Double press space to get over here, open up the door, and then get the treasure chest inside, and then get the boots. Once again, if you are having trouble getting inside, use your Axiom Hand, double press space, and you should be able to jump straight into the door. Alright, now for the stats of the boots, it has an attack of 15, a defense of 5, a movement speed of 1, and a unique ability of the Giant Steps. Now to demonstrate the ability, I'm going to jump and force palm, and once I land, there's going to be a tiny shockwave. Once again, there you go. And this is what the boots would look like on Cliff. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Giant's Boots in Crimson Desert.